Hello there, it's your friend Phil, Project Management Trainer and Coach. Today I'm going to run you through the learning management system that I use to train students for the PMP exam. Now, this system is broken into 14 chapters. Chapter 1 and 2 are pretty much the basics, and Chapter 3 goes into more depth in the processes and go into Chapter 4, integration. It pretty much maps back to the PMBOK guide. So I'm going to show you how the learning system works. We've got a chapter and a quiz. A chapter and a quiz. Both are graded. The quiz is most important because you want to get a 70% or greater. So there's a high level of accountability on this course. There's also mentoring and coaching. We send emails to you. You can send emails back. You can ask questions. You can receive phone calls from a PMP exam coach or mentor to help get you through the content if you're stuck. So let's take a look at Chapter 1. It has audio and video, and it's also interactive. You need to click to advance, you need to click to move to certain aspects of the course.
I am so excited that you are joining me on this journey. It is a journey into project management.
So get an idea of how it's broken out. I'll just mute that. And there are all sorts of interactivity, questions and answers towards the end. I'll just go to some of that. We have these PMP checkups that we do. And these are very short quizzes just to make sure that you understand what you have studied in the chapter. When you get done with the module, the next thing is to take the quiz. So I'm clicking on the quiz. This is how the quiz looks. There are roughly 20 questions for each chapter, and you need to get a 70% or greater. Okay. Let me go to Chapter 11 in risk management to show you how that looks. The same format, audio, video. The thing I like about this system is it puts you on a timetable, puts you on a schedule so you can pace yourself. If you take a look at the course, you get an idea of how many slides. As you go through the chapters, you get an idea of how long it takes you to go through each slide. And based on your experience in the first chapter, you can kind of gauge how long you need to dedicate to the future chapters and the quizzes.
I don't have budget to manage risk. How dare you tell me you don't have budget to manage risk?
And of course, sometimes there's a bit of humor. You see some drama every now and again, or you see me getting a little bit over animated. We also have built into this some drama pieces, believe it or not. So we have some drama pieces built in.
Sure.
And we do this to make it a little bit more interesting than just death by PowerPoint. This is not death by PowerPoint. This is an interactive and engaging course.
Identify risks. The next process is identify risks, where our risk management plan becomes an input. Identify risks is in planning, but it doesn't produce a subsidiary plan. It produces a risk register as the major output.
So you get an idea of how this is broken out. We have for every process a video, as you can see here, that covers that process in a lot of detail. So you've got 47 processes. Each process has a video explaining that process.
Positively or negatively. So let's take a look at the laundry list of items, the sheer huge list that we've got before us here. A risk management plan, cost management plan, schedule management plan, quality management plan, human resource management plans.
So as you can see, we go through every single item. I'll just advance so that you can see. We also have a commentary on every data flow diagram in the PMBOK guide that covers the processes. So every process data flow diagram has a commentary where you can listen to what I have to say, learn, and go to the PMBOK guide, to that specific page, to actually zero in and get what you need from that page. Also, for every process, we have got an interactive map here where you can click on every single ITTO, every single one, and you can watch a video for each ITTO. So let's click on risk management plan, for example. And the risk management plan, it's described in detail what it is. If we go to the plan risk management process, where
it's another splendid opportunity.
Management plan appears for the first time. If we click on that, you can see the entire video
Risk management plan. A major output of plan risk management and used to govern how risks are managed from start to end. Now, there's 6 processes in risk management. 5 of those.
You kind of get an idea. Then you can close that. Then you can go back to view anything that you wish to. And every process is broken out like this. If you click on the tool or technique, it will give you a high-level summary or video regarding what it is. For a full review of one of the chapters, send an email to info@praizion.com, or you can just go to praizion.com, look under our online course, and look for the demo for integration management. Thank you for your audience.